So I'm just getting back from the gym, and I didn't plan on doing this video, so I'm just freestyling. Here is no agenda of how I'm trying to do this, but it's not even an elephant in the room we just need to address. I sold all of my everything in my MMF finance ecosystem for multiple reasons. I did a few weeks ago, and the number one reason, I 100% believe in the ecosystem of what they are trying to do. I have 0% faith in everybody that's running it. Whoever is running the whole MMF ecosystem is trash. I have said it on my channel numerous times before, but this is really, I can't have my money being held by people that don't know what they're doing. I was better off just trying to create something. And at this point, it's becoming a rug pull because they're just trying to do Launchpad after Launchpad after Launchpad after Launchpad. And they don't even have A right before they trying to get all the way to Z. And it's a waste of money. It's just throwing money out the window at this point. If you just look at what they got going on, right? Now, this is my portfolio. So you look at M Finance, right? The last 24 hours, down 28%. The last 7 days, down 60. M shares is down to $600, yo. M shares was over 20,000 30 days ago. It was at 14,000, yo. There was a time it hit 20,000 recently. This is not even considered an opportunity no more. Before I would be like, man, this is an opportunity because the managers of who running everything. Look at this, Savannah Finance. If y'all know me, y'all know I love me. Savannah Finance and some M shares. This is just, yeah, it's a rug pull at this point. It's just a rug pull at this point. I tried Hakuna Matata shares and that didn't go well. You just look at everything. They do Launchpad after Launchpad. And the most recent, they did Donut Finance. I didn't even read anything of what's going on. What's the purpose of it? Because I don't care. It's just throwing your money away at this point before they all go to zero. And you notice once they release something, they're like, I haven't even looked at your Twitter yet. But I'm assuming soon as they release it, they're going to do some follow-up tweets saying, hey guys, I know it's too much going on, but all you got to do is do this to get everything working, right? So let's see. New farm is up. All right, look at this. Launchpad, 17 hours. What was everybody saying? No thanks. The whole MMF system is faltering. The ship is full of holes and sinking. Exactly what it is. What happened to the single stake SVN reward? Tried to claim and got zero. My other wallet. Everybody is having troubles. Once I couldn't take my money out and the system wasn't working, that's when I was like, look, once I take my money out, I'm done with them and I'm okay with missing out. All right, so here we go. Donut is live. Let's see what problems do people have. Rug pulls. With most investors, including the early one, in deep negative, where will the money come from to support ongoing launch pads? Because y'all losing money nonstop. It's bad. My thing, the reason I end up pulling out is I forgot where I had my money. First, I couldn't log in from the app no more. Just literally couldn't log in, couldn't check my money, just kept on doing stuff. I couldn't provide any liquidity. It just stayed froze on yeah, it's bad. It's bad. So my opinion, we all had to take a loss. I took a big loss dealing with M Finance. I believed in the ecosystem and what they was trying to do. This could have been so good, because you have to realize, people in the comments can say, hey Lando, the price of all of cryptocurrency is going down, right? But not like this. And when your launch pads are made to burn other tokens to force your price to go up. So you got Bitcoin is just Bitcoin. You have Savannah Finance and you have all of these other Launchpads, these other companies, where their goal is to force the price to completely go up. Look at what is it, Kuna Matata? That was just made mainly for that. See, we up the last hour, but the last day they're still down. So how are you made to, help people make money and everything is still going down? People were saying they are doing this to right their wrongs, and you ain't righting no wrongs, not making anybody money. So I'm sorry for anybody that I told that DeFi is the way to go with the Cronos system, and I still believe in DeFi Cronos system, right? But with Cronos trusting this much effort into MM Finance, make me look at them different. So I don't necessarily think the system is wrong. I believe the players inside the system is wrong and making everybody else look a lot worse. So yeah, I'm okay with, let's say next week it just shoot up like crazy. I'm okay with missing out on that opportunity because I just don't like the managers. I don't like who's running it. They don't know what the hell they're doing. So if I miss out on money, it is what it is. I'm willing to just put that money elsewhere. So it's safe to say it's a Rugpull. It is. You ain't making no money. It's all going down. It's about to flatline very soon. It's bad. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. I will talk to you guys soon.